I took this picture moments before a painful realization. A while back, I was talking to Mark Spagnolo about his ideal bandsaw fence, which would do three things. It would have a drift adjustment, it would have a micro adjustment, and it would be able to quickly be removed or put onto the table when needed or unneeded. He didn't know of anything on the market that could do all three, and neither did I, but the Taylor bandsaw fence that I worked on through MagSwitch did two of the three. It had drift adjustment and it could easily be removed because it mounts with magnets. So if I could figure a way to add on micro adjustment, it would check all three boxes. So that's what I'm trying to do here. Okay, skipping a few steps to final assembly, this is how it is supposed to work. Your fence is in place and you decide you need a fine adjustment. So you lock the micro adjust add-on into place with mag jigs on the front rail, turn off the fence magnets, and spin the wheel to move the fence. At first I thought it was working. See that adjustment happening? The problem is the back of the fence isn't moving. This is easier to understand as you see me lightly push left and right on the fence, and you can see it dragging in the back, primarily because of the gasket that I put in the magnets that is doing exactly what I wanted it to do originally, which is hold the fence to the table. To get the whole fence to move evenly front to back, I need to push forward on the drift adjust block as I move it side to side, and my cool looking little micro adjust jig didn't do that at all. So I went back to the drawing board, designed and built something that did work very well and that I'm confident in. And if you want to see what it is, get the model and see an unlisted video of its assembly, I'll send you all that if you purchase the Taylor fence. Details in description. And if you do buy the fence, this is how I set the drift adjust block. After taping the table, I mark a line parallel to the edge of a board and cut it until I find the angle that keeps the blade at the marked line. Then I mark the edge of the board on the tape and set the fence to that marked line on the tape and secure the drift adjust block against the front of the table. Now the drift angle is set anywhere on the table. Thanks for watching.
Dad, how is it turning?
Well, you gotta join my channel to learn how I did that.